I want to tell you a little bit about why we are here and why we initiated this workshop. The background of this is that last year Sintef initiated some phone meetings between selected people all around Europe that are involved in fishing gear research and catch handling, and we wanted to see if there were opportunities for cooperation, and particularly if we could find any ways of funding such an initiative. We put in quite a lot of work in going through the FP7 calls and both national and international funding institutions, and we soon found out that there is not a lot of money available for research in this area. We sent in an SME application for the FP7 project last year, which was not successful, and then we applied to Akifisk for us just to meet, and for the we hope that since they decided to fund this, that we will be able to make something more out of it. So the main idea behind this is that we can gather people that are working in this field and exchange knowledge, and possibly do some networking that might lead to cooperation and future projects together. We applied to Akifisk, and that's a fund that's only available for the Nordic countries. So we selected, or it was Catchfish, Sintef, Havstovan, and Matís that are official partners to this initiative, but we also have associates from other countries that have helped us out in the planning process and given valuable input. And today we are here from actually 10 countries, as far south as Italia and as far north as Greenland. So now the plan for today's event and tomorrow's is that we have broken the agenda up into 4 sessions. We usually have 4 to 5 short presentations in each session. We have given 15 to 20 minutes to each presenter, and when 15 minutes are up, I will give them the red card, no, yellow card, and then they should think about stopping, so we will have some room for a few questions afterwards. At the end of each session, we have planned working groups, so we will gather in 7 to 8 men working groups where we will discuss the session or the thematic area in the session, and the plan will be for the groups to answer these 3 questions. What are the 3 most important challenges within each thematic area? How can we solve or contribute to solving these challenges? And pointing out possible project cooperation or means of doing some knowledge or technical transfer. So we will have half an hour for that, and then another half an hour for each group to present their findings, and then general discussions. In the folder you got, we have broken the list of attendees into 7 groups, and there's at the top of each group there's the conveyor or the person that's in charge of seeing that the working groups do what they are supposed to do. Then what about where we will go after this workshop? What we will do besides just meeting and having some presentations. The hope is that this will lead to something more. We have created this web page, fishinggearnetwork.net. It's a big title, and at the moment there's not a lot behind it, but this is at least a tool for us to use into the future to disseminate information. We have here the workshop agenda, and after the workshop, all of the presentations will be made available here. And then we have something on fishing gear research, and as you can see, there's nothing here yet. So the hope is that the things that will be discussed here will lead to that we will be able to put something in there. If there are specific questions that need answered, we will try to find the answers and put them in there. And we also urge you guys, you are the experts. We don't pretend to know everything about neither fishing gear or fish handling. So the hope is that you will also contribute to this this webpage. So please, if you have some interesting material, send me links or the materials.